Welcome to Health and Technology TV, where innovation meets sustainability. Today, we're diving into the green buildings revolution and how by 2030, our homes and offices will do more than just shelter us. They'll help save the planet. Subscribe and hit the bell icon. This episode could change how you think about your next home or office. A green building isn't just a structure, it's a living system. It maximizes energy efficiency, reduces carbon emissions, and uses smart technology to optimize comfort and sustainability. Think solar integrated rooftops, AI controlled thermostats, gray water recycling, and carbon neutral materials. Would you live in or work in a net zero building? Let us know in the comments. By 2030, many cities aim to enforce net zero construction codes. Buildings will generate more energy than they consume, thanks to solar skins, wind harvesting facades, and passive cooling systems. Cities like Singapore, Oslo, and Vancouver are already leading the charge. Which city do you think is building the greenest future? Drop your guess below. Green buildings are getting brains too. AI systems now learn from usage patterns to regulate heating, lighting, and airflow, automatically adjusting based on the weather, time of day, and occupancy. It's not just smart, it's self-optimizing. Want to see our top 5 AI-powered building systems? Tap the description. Green buildings aren't just good for the planet, they're great for you. Improved air quality, natural light integration, and biophilic design reduce stress, boost productivity, and enhance mental well-being. Would you choose a healthier building, even if it cost a little more? Vote in our poll on screen. Say goodbye to concrete as we know it. The future is made of carbon-absorbing concrete, hempcrete, recycled steel, and cross-laminated timber, CLT. These materials are stronger, lighter, and lower impact than traditional options. Which material do you want to see replace concrete first? Tell us in the comments. Green rooftops and living walls are transforming cities into breathable ecosystems. They regulate temperature, trap pollutants, and even grow urban crops. It's not just decoration, it's urban resilience in action. Would you install a rooftop garden if your building allowed it? Like this video? If yes, energy efficiency means more than saving. It's about storing and sharing. Green buildings are now mini power plants using battery storage, solar arrays, and smart grid tech to feed surplus energy back into the system. Want to learn how your building could sell energy back to the grid? Check the description. Worried this is only for billion-dollar skyscrapers? Think again. Incentives, falling tech costs, and modular prefab green homes are making this accessible even in rural and low-income areas. Would you invest in a sustainable home if the long-term cost was lower? Comment your take. The buildings of 2030 won't just house us. They'll protect our health, reduce our footprint, and shape the future. It's time to move from concrete jungles to living ecosystems. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone dreaming of a smarter, greener future. Until next time, this is Health and Technology TV, where design meets sustainability.